Welcome back. National Highway Authority of India demolished illegal shanties at Sada and cow sheds at Varunapuri. Around 15 tin sheets, makeshift rooms erected by the contractor of NCAOR on NHAI land at Sada were brought down. Cow sheds erected in the vicinity of Navy compound wall and multi-utility pipeline of Zuari Indian Oil Tanking Limited were also demolished. NHAI authority says we do not want another naphtha type disaster due to such illegal structures.
National Highway Authority of India demolished illegal structures at Sada and Varunapuri. These structures had cropped up on the land acquired by National Highway Authority of India. Navy and Zuari Industries had complained to the collector as structures affected the safety aspects. Sada area had 15 structures constructed by NCOAR for its labourers, while cow sheds were constructed at Varunapuri. Technical Manager of National Highway Authority of India, C. Furtado, said that structures at Varunapuri were encroaching naphtha pipeline routes and creating safety hazard.
The Navy has written to me and various other authorities trying to take up this thing. Now I have to coordinate with other state government authorities and all that. I have been coordinating for some time and this has been taken. Because you see that naphtha pipeline is over there. Personally I have come and requested many of them to take it out. These people say, Aaj karega saab, kal karega. No, it's not. I don't want to take care of it. Anything happens, you have seen with your eyes. It's an overwhelming public interest. Not only that, they should be. These are antisocial people who have done this thing. Tomorrow, if there's a fire, do you want a repeat incident? What has happened? I am thankful to the Goa Civil Service officers, the Goa Police officers, particularly South Goa Superintendent of Police, and the DYSP and the PI over here who have this thing, and the naval authorities. They have also been very kind and they've given us all the cooperation, because this is in overwhelming public interest. Imagine a cigarette somebody puts over there. What will happen? Afterwards we will run. What happened? This, why it didn't do.
Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
Now a look at the other events in the state.
Weights and Measures Department raided a shop by Balaji Marketing in Mapsa and seized goods worth 1,02,000 rupees. Wash basins and other goods bearing false manufacturing dates were seized on Friday.
The date of packing मारलेले असा 4/2013 हो अजून 80 को देऊ ना आणि from 1st of November 2012 च्यान rubber stamp मारपाक allowed नाशिले. For that violation आम्ही seize केले असा.
Directorate of Health Services organized an anti-tobacco awareness campaign. A poster exhibition cum counselling camp was held at Kepe on Friday. Speakers at the exhibition spoke on the ill effects of smoking. Press Information Bureau has planned for a 3 days Bharat Nirman public information campaign. The Bureau has decided to increase the accessibility of various developmental schemes by Government of India. This camp will be held in 3 villages, Khola in Kankon, Bali and Morpela in Kepe.
The purpose of pumping this kind of funds into these schemes is inclusive growth. The country, of course, is on a high growth path, but there are millions of people who are still below the poverty line. So it is the strategy of Government of India to lift these people above the poverty line through these directly implemented development programs and schemes.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa Association of Squash is looking to promote the game to a larger audience in the state. Currently, the squash scene is limited to Vasco due to naval court and a government facility at Chukali. Nevertheless, Goa's performance at the national level has been good, largely due to fine coaching by Rehman Saeed.
Chairman of the association, Pankaj Joshi, praised the SAG and DSY for their support.
Sports Authority of Goa, the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs have acknowledged our efforts and have used us in getting the team sent for the school, the national school sports, where our kids overall in whole of India came 3rd in its rank, which is excellent. The credit to all this goes to one man in Rehman Saeed, whose association got bits and pieces together and got him trained as one of the best coaches in India.
President of the association, Sanjay Gupta, feels that the game has to see more participation.
We need more squash courts, more participations, and more coaches from various places. Unfortunately, at the moment, the only coach that is available in Goa is from this Naval Officer Institute, and he's done a marvelous job in producing all these kids. For the below the 11, below 13, below 15, 17, 19, right till the junior level, the kids are doing extremely well. They actually put Goa in the squash map of India. It's not an expensive game by any standards. When you compare it with even games like soccer also, the amount of money that you need to spend on your kit is very, very minimal. Okay, and the advantage of this game is that it does not get affected by the weather, because all the squash courts are all indoor squash courts, and these days you have got squash courts which are mobile, which you can rig it up in places where you want to popularize this game and you can play.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
If you have missed a bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa, or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.